Great display of our heritage. As an Indian, to me, this means a lot, especially Carnatic music being a South Indian. So the show is amazing. It was great to have the artists here. And it's wonderful to have such an organization like this that can promote this in our community.
This is more soothing for me than the Western music.
I loved it. It was intense, very intense, and the rhythms were intense.
I'm a musician, and I came here specifically to hear a guitar player.
What kind of music do you play?
I play with a percussion ensemble. I play guitar with 4 or 5 drummers, hand drummers.
Is that very different from what you've heard tonight?
He was amazing. I don't have that level of skill.
So is this the first time you heard Carnatic music?
It's the first time I've heard it live. I've heard it recorded before, but this is the first concert I've been to.
Okay. Did you enjoy this music?
Oh my goodness, yes. No, it was extraordinary. I was blown away really by the rhythms and the chords. The scales were so complex for me. So.
This is the first time I've really known that it was Carnatic music. I've heard it in yoga classes, background music, but never appreciated for actually what it is.
First time you heard Carnatic music?
It's the first time I've heard a live performance, yes. I've listened to music on YouTube and some recordings before.
Did you enjoy this kind of music?
Yeah, it was beautiful music. I really enjoyed it.
So is this the first time you heard Carnatic music?
Sort of. Not really, but I've heard it by some other people, so I guess it's my second time.
Did you like this?
Yes, I found it very interesting.
How different is this kind of music normally from the other types of music you normally hear?
It's really unique than the other types. It's very poppy, I guess, because of the percussion. I like it because it's really unique. So it's very unique from the other types.
আজকে যদি আমি এখানে না আসতাম তাহলে আমি অনেক কিছু মিস করতাম অনেক সুন্দর প্রোগ্রাম আর রিয়েলি আই এম হ্যাপি 2 আওয়ার্স আমার কীভাবে কেটেছে আমি এক্সপ্লেন করা আমার জন্য খুব টাফ যদি না আমি প্রোগ্রামটাতে না আসতাম তাহলে আমি অনেক মিস করে ফেলতাম আমি অনেক প্রোগ্রামে অ্যাটেন্ড করেছি কিন্তু আজকের প্রোগ্রাম আমার জন্য একটা বিশেষ স্মরণীয় হয়ে থাকবে
Fantastic evening and young artists performing especially with ensemble and ghatam, mridangam and violin and guitar was just like veena and it was just
আমি যা কিছু মহান বরণ করেছি বিনম্র শ্রদ্ধায় মেশে 13 নদী 7 সাগরের জল গঙ্গায় পদ্মায় উই বাংলাদেশি we can appreciate the good things of other parts of the world, and not only we can appreciate, we can share our joy, our feelings, our sense of appreciation with others.